Hey guys, so it is July 22nd, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. Once again, I feel full of just the right amount of energy. I feel calm, cool, collected, and stable. And I don't feel tired at all, and I have lots of energy to play with my son. This stuff is amazing. It is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut, and 70% of your dopamine is also produced in your gut. So if you have anything at all going on with your serotonin or dopamine and it's at a balance, I would highly, highly recommend this stuff because it'll balance it right out, because there's a huge connection between the gut-brain barrier. And as you can see, I've decided to put a little makeup on today, and I'm wearing my beautiful orange and yellow earrings again. But yeah, this stuff is amazing and I highly recommend it, because gut health is super, super important.